Hi, today I'll be going over with you how to allow data entry in PDF stamps through form fields and data entry. PDF Studio 2022 and above allows you to now create your own fillable PDF stamps or dynamic PDF stamps. This will be done by creating your own PDF stamps where the PDF is a PDF form that contains interactive form fields. Users will be prompted for data when placing the PDF stamps on the page, assuming the form fields in the PDF stamp contain appropriate, correct JavaScript calculation. Today I will show you how to create a PDF stamp that will prompt users to enter data. So first what we want to do is go to the File tab, and I'm going to create a page by going to Create and New Document. I'm going to press OK. So first what you want to do is create your own custom default stamp. I already created one previously, but if this is your first time, what you want to do is go to the Comment tab, select Create, and create custom stamp. Like I said, I already created my custom stamp, so now I'm just going to go to it, this one, and I'm just going to place it on my page. And next what you want to do is add a dynamic stamp. So I want to add a date here that's going to automatically update whenever I place this stamp on a page to the correct date. So in order to do that, you're going to go to Create, then Create Text Stamp, and the category you're going to select is Dynamic, and I'm just going to name it Date, and then you're going to select Insert Date, and choose the format you want. This format's fine with me, so I'm just going to leave it selected and press OK. You can adjust the way it looks as well, so I'm going to actually just change it to black here, and I'm going to take off the border and press OK. So now you'll see it pop up on your page. You can select it anywhere on your document. I'm going to select it there. It's a little bit big, so I'm going to minimize it a little bit. And there we go. So now we want to add a prompt to our stamp that prompts our users to add necessary data or information. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to Forms, and I'm going to select Text Field, and I'm going to select where I want it on my stamp, and I'm going to right click it, and I'm going to select Properties. So from here you can make an adjustment, so I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger, and then you can go to Calculate and go down to this field has a custom calculation, and you can find our calculation on our knowledge base page, and you can find it under Allow Data Entry in PDF Stamps through Form Fields and JavaScript. So now I'm just going to copy it. Then I'm going to go back to PDF Studio, and I'm going to Control V to paste it in the calculations box. Now I'm going to press OK. It's going to prompt me with the warning. I'm just going to select yes to this, and then I'm going to enter a name, and I'm just going to write default name for now and press OK. Alright, once again, you can kind of place this where you want to, so once this stamp opens up when you need it, it'll be in the desired spot you want it in, and that's pretty much good for now. What I'm going to do is go to Pages, and I'm actually going to crop this, so this page will be resized to the stamp. I'm going to press OK, and there you have that stamp there. And now I'm going to go here, and I'm just going to save it to my computer, and I'm going to save it in my stamps folder, and I'm going to label it Paid Stamp and press Save. Now that that's good, I'm going to go to File. I'm just going to close out of this, and I'm actually going to go to Open now, and I'm going to open another document, and I'm going to open this mock invoice, and I'm going to show the example of how to use this stamp. So I'm going to go to Comment, then I'm going to go to Create Stamp, and I'm going to go to Create PDF Stamp. So from here, all I need to do is go to my Browse area, and I'm going to go to that folder I had with the stamps in it, PDF Stamps. There you go. Select it, and I'm going to select that paid stamp I saved and press Open. And there you go, you can see it there, and I'm going to press OK. And now it's going to prompt me to enter a name. So this is just to name the stamp. So I'm just going to name it paid again. Press OK. And I'm going to paste it anywhere on my page. And so now it's asking me to please enter a name. And so that's the prompt for the user to enter their data. So I'm going to place the name of whoever paid for this invoice. We're just going to call that person John Doe and press OK. All right. And this seems a little bit too big, so you can always alter the stamp so it'll fit your page in the desired area you want to place it in. Place it here. Hopefully this tutorial was useful for you and you find this to be a great addition to our stamp tool. To experience more great additions like this in PDF Studio, download or upgrade to PDF Studio 2022 now.